Right, so we're gonna do 1 cup of sugar. It's a lot of sugar, but this is a syrup. We're gonna do 1 cup of water. And 2.5 tablespoons of lavender. This lavender smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So, alright, now I'm going to mix this up just to get it mixed. And then we're going to turn the heat on and we're going to bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 8 minutes. Alright, it's been 8 minutes, so I'm just going to take this and move it off the heat and let it sit for 20 minutes. It does say in the recipe that it's pretty normal for your syrup to not be purple like lavender. It probably is going to be more clear or like cream color, which it is. So I'm going to take this off the heat, let it sit for 20 minutes. We'll strain it, we'll add some lemon juice, and that's that. Alright, I'm going to get this everywhere. I can already tell you this if I put a paper towel down. Now, you just take and you strain. That's what we're going to attempt. And then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and put that in there and mix it up. This is just my preferred way to do things. Then I'll just use the rest of the lemon juice and I'll make lemonade. Lavender lemonade. That is Jonathan's favorite lemonade, so we're winning. Although we might end up using this whole lemon for 2 teaspoons, I don't know. Now, I'm just going to take 2 teaspoons of this lemon juice. Put it in there. Give her a mix. See if she turns colors. Turns a little pink. And that is that. Your lavender syrup that is pink. She'll stay good for like a couple weeks in the fridge. So that is that. It tastes like lavender. It is a very strong lavender. I find it funny that it is pink though. But you know, that's that. Also, my ball jar is pretty cute. So there it is.